If you accidentally delete an app on your iPhone and now you want to reinstall it, this tutorial review will show you how you can re-download deleted iPhone apps. So first of all, go to your App Store, tap on your profile photo at the top right, tap on Purchased, tap on My Purchases, and here you will get the list of all apps you installed previous. And now you can tap on this install icon next to the app to re-download it. And to search for a specific app, you can tap on the search box. And that's how you will be able to re-download deleted iPhone apps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.